Steve Magnante here at High Octane Classics in Auburn, Massachusetts, where spring has sprung, and a great example of a fun car for springtime. This is a 1932 Ford Roadster Highboy. It's a fiberglass replica, although it does have a steel grille and hood. But the rest of it is fiberglass, the body shell, which is classic on these fun street rods. Under the hood, of course, a small block Chevy with a 383 stroker internal. Let's take a peek here. Open the hood up, and I like the side mounting hood like that. And again, 383 with an Edelbrock intake manifold, a small Holley 4-barrel carburetor, lots of show goodies, the chromed alternator, coated headers, shorty headers that run down into a dual exhaust system. The ignition is MSD high quality wiring with an HEI system right here, so we can forget about the points. And just really nice presentation here. Aluminum radiator, all brandy new. And just a fun machine to go out for a cruise on a sunny day. Independent front suspension, of course, with Alden coilovers. Good stuff right here, fully adjustable. Disc brakes up front for sure. The power to weight ratio, probably of a Ferrari. And a really nice set of wheels, Weld racing wheels with the faux spinners, rack and pinion steering, so good handling. Now we call this one a highboy. If we look down at the bottom of the body and where the frame is on the side, we can see the body rides on top of the frame. A lowboy is when you would drop the body over the frame and you wouldn't see the longitudinal of the frame rail. But again, this is a classic highboy build inside of the fiberglass body. Let's take a peek. Nice interior. And here is the wooden steering wheel with a tilt column, very nice. It helps to accommodate drivers and make you most comfortable. Column shifted turbo 350 automatic transmission. VDO gauges here for oil pressure, water temperature, speedometer, fuel and volts, all of that stuff with a nice billet face. You know, kind of state-of-the-art, early 1990s or so, but you know, a timeless street rod. And a little roll bar going on here. Big tires in the back. It has a Corvette C4 rear suspension. Kind of a cool item, not your traditional or typical 9-inch, a little more thought going into this one here with the Corvette C4 goodies at the back. So a nice example of a enjoy it, drive it around, you know, take it out for a cruise on a sunny day. And you can learn more about this car at the High Octane Classics website. And keep in mind, this car can be financed with as little as 10% down. And High Octane Classics will deliver cars to your place of work, your church, your school, wherever you want it to be. And they do accept trades, late models, other collector cars, whatever you might want to go with. So keep in mind, you can purchase this car and learn more about it at 508-859-4515. That's the High Octane Classics phone number. And if you want to use the internet, of course, you can check this out at the High Octane Classics website.